Presenting the 2014 Dodge Avenger SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, wheel covers, steel wheels, rear defrost, automatic headlights and MP3 player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.